Alright, good morning to everyone. My name is Wei Jinghao, today presenter. Today I would like to present about car rental system. At the beginning, I would like to introduce my group member, which is Wei Jinghao, Wong Ge Wan, Gan Yishang, and Alvin Wong. Before we move to the system, let me brief something to our car rental system. Our car rental system separate to one server and two clients. For the client side, we have using the file system call as well, which is socket, connect, TCP connect, read and write. The connection between client and server are using TCP connects. And the socket in line 55 and connect in 57, the numbering is defined the line of the code. Let's move to the server side. The server side will have your blind system call, listen, send, receive, TCP connect, read, write, force, Excel, signal, FIFO, smartphone, file manipulation, I/O multiplexing, and message queue. Let's move on to the system. Let's log into the system. Open the terminal. And use GCC to start the server. And thread to start server and client. Okay, now you can see the client is direct connected to the server because I have it's automatically connected to the server because in my code I have defined the IP address. You can see from the code I define the server IP which is 192.168.145.3 and then and here I also define it. Here is create a socket and then I define it connect to the IP address in line 57. Okay. Now you can see that if I do anything, the FIFO will track the user input. Using FIFO to track the user input. And I also use for system call have at the server side. The parent will listen and then the child process will process the user input. Okay. Now let's register an account. And here 1 and then 1 2 3 4. Okay, you can see that the input will be tracked. Anything will be tracked inside. Okay. Now I register another account. O2 and then 1 2 3 4. Okay, everything will be tracked because I using FIFO lah, and then also using Fox System Call. Okay, let's list the car. Second also list the car. Enter. enter. Before we move on to range card, we try to log out first. We change some things. For example, I want to show the smartphone system call. For example, at the bottom side, OI1 will log in as Quarium 1 and then OI2 will log in as Quarium 2 to show the function of smartphone. Means that the data frame and the different process will share their data. So we log out first. And then we log in again. OI1 1, 2, 3, 4. It's logged in successfully. And then now log in here. And here is showing I have used smartphone system call to let them share their data together. They can access either Aquarium 1 or Aquarium 2. Okay, next we're going to range a card. Okay, at range card side, I have using message queue to manage the renter. Okay, for example, I rent others 6, and then here I range Audi.4. A4, okay, enter. I go to rent 3 days and then 4 days, enter. It will showing that how many days you're going to rent, and then I press any to continue. This is the what this is showing the showing the message queue when we range the same thing together, like first come first come first serve lah. Okay, not only that, if we press A or press V, it will show you the error detection. So something like cannot debugging error debugging. Also, at the last thing I'm going to show is the farm manipulation. You can see the card TST and then the rental data. You can see I rented what inside here. Also user data. The user has registered today. This is the farm manipulation and this program I also use Singer. This Singer is to avoid to clean the zombie connection. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.